Not to mention all the acidity from the evergreen trees.
Oh, it would make things as acidic?
Yeah. That's why if you've ever looked at the base of like a cedar tree or a pine tree, how you notice there's no grass growing is because evergreen trees have like an acid in them, and their sap actually makes it to where the ground underneath it can't grow grass or moss or anything anymore. It's just bare dirt.
Damn.
It still fades away after the tree's gone.
I wonder if there's a plant, like a plant from one area you could put in another that would be perfectly fine with the acidity.
Fun fact, it's a different type of thing, but black walnut trees do something somewhat similar.
I believe that.
Neat.
Black walnut trees, they have a chemical they release from basically every surface, and that chemical will prevent most other green plants from basically respirating correctly, so they can't turn carbon dioxide into oxygen, and because they don't do that reaction, they die.
Damn.
That's what keeps them alive. Which
Mm.
is why if you see black walnut tree, you usually don't see a lot of other plants growing around it.
Interesting.
You'll often grass. Grass is one of the few green plants that is immune.
What?
Which is ironic considering you're talking about pine, which kills the grass.
Fucking damn.
But yeah, we had like
Talk about establishing a barren forest.
It took like 10 years for the. Oh yeah, pine trees. Black walnut trees will murder pine trees. By the way.
Interesting.
You do not want to have a black walnut tree anywhere near a pine tree.
Well, yeah. Because black walnuts cause respiration problems, and then the acid from pine trees. Wait, am I remembering that right?
I'm gonna start keeping black walnuts around because they're like an insane antioxidant. Because you said it was shutting down other plants' abilities to do photosynthesis. It's like, well, shit, that means it's an antioxidant, which makes perfect sense.
Yeah, which is interesting because their leaves are green. But yeah, for anywhere that is under the leaves of a black walnut tree will basically become toxic to most other plants within like a year. And it will take about 10 years for all that stuff to leach out of the ground. So if you have a garden in proximity of black walnut tree, you want to get rid of the black walnut tree.
Or
because
move
you're
the
not gonna have
garden.
a garden for probably about 10 years. Yeah, if you want to have the garden,
I'll keep that in mind.